Dr. Nancy Troiano, Director of Technical Education and Training for Rentokil North America. We believe in providing our customers and the public with information about pests that can help you make important pest management decisions for your family, your home, or your business. In our new video series, we want to help you make sense of the overwhelming amount of termite information that's out there. We'll tell you about termite species, geography, home prevention tips, and options for treatment and control. Most importantly, we'll review the top 5 signs of termites. Termites are called the silent destroyers because all too often home and business owners find out about a problem after significant costly damage has occurred. Know the facts. Know your options. If we can provide you with further information about termites or customize a treatment plan for your home or business, call us to schedule a free inspection or visit us online. As your local pest control experts, we'll be happy to help.